What if your screen wasn't a rectangle, but the room itself?
Welcome to the Apple Vision Pro, Apple's most ambitiously into immersive computing.
It's not just VR. Apple calls it spatial computing, and today we're breaking down exactly how it works.
Let's dive in.
It starts with the Displays Vision Pro uses two custom micro OLED panels with over 23 million pixels combined. That's more than a 4K TV for each eye.
But pixels aren't enough. 12 cameras, 5 sensors, and a LiDAR scanner works together to map your room in real time down to the millimeter.
That's faster than your brain can detect light, so no motion sickness, just seamless immersion.
Here's the magic. There are no controllers. You navigate with your eyes, hands, and voice. Di ba, ma'am?
Then pitch your thumb and forefinger to click and scroll, rotate your hand to adjust volume. It's intuitive like using touch, but in mid-air.
And if your hands are busy, works with Siri. Plus spatial audio places sounds exactly where they happen. A notification might chime from your left shoulder.
All up here, run in Vision OS Apple's first operating system built for 3D space. Apps don't click on the screen. They plot, scale, and pin up walls or disks.
While for VR, the headset uses high-resolution pass-through video to either blend digital objects into your room or completely replace your surroundings with a virtual environment.
That flexibility is huge. You can work on a virtual monitor while keeping an eye on your coffee cup, or go fully immersive for a movie you decide.
So how does Vision Pro work as a VR platform? On the clear display, real-time environment mapping and a dedicated data switcher create a window into spatial computing.
But let's be real, it's not perfect yet. The external battery, the weight 600 grams, and the $3,499 price are real considerations.
That's the big picture. Vision Pro isn't just a headset. It's a glimpse into the next era of personal technology.
Thanks for watching!
If this breakdown helped, hit subscribe